weather across the country, particularly Northern Ireland and parts of Scotland. And in the Atlantic, during the course of this morning, we had this great area of cloud gathering steam as it did so during the course of today and speeding quite quickly eastwards during the course of this afternoon to cover much of the country, although by the end of the afternoon it was just London that was relatively clear of cloud. Now that cloud is linked with this frontal system here, which has got some very strong winds associated with it, and we can see on the wind chart that across much of the country this evening we're going to have a southerly wind, but that southerly wind picks up its strength during this evening and during the course of tonight, particularly in western areas where we are going to see gale force winds and severe gales up through the Irish Sea with 70 miles an hour winds over Scotland and Northern Ireland. This evening we'll see a good deal of cloud right across the country with heavy outbreaks of rain across Northern Ireland and much of western and northern Scotland, turning to sleet and snow for a time over the high ground, and gales already coming into many parts of Ireland. And then that strong winds and heavy rain gradually pushing eastwards and southwards during the course of tonight, but probably not reaching the extreme east until early tomorrow morning. A mild night everywhere, temperatures in the south around 9 degrees, and with even 5 degrees in the far north, we are going to see a rapid thaw of that lying snow, giving further localised flooding. That's how the weather chart looks tomorrow. The weather front straddled right across the country with brighter but cooler weather coming in behind it. So tomorrow morning, gales and wet weather over much of western and northern parts of Britain, moving quite speedily eastwards and southwards during the course of the day, but still gale force winds over much of northern Britain. A wet start then across much of the country with gales in many areas. Already some showers starting to come into Northern Ireland during the morning, spreading to many other areas. Wintry showers further north over Scotland, giving further snow. But in the afternoon, drier weather coming into northern England and parts of Wales, but still some rain down in the far south, where it will be mild with temperatures around 12, but cooler elsewhere.